Hello guys, today I've got the AMAZFIT Active free premium watch, and I'm going to show you what to do if the third-party application sync isn't working, or what to do if it's stuck. So the first and the most important thing is that you need to make sure that you do have both applications working. So open both, for example here Google Fit, and open both Zepp to check if both applications are working. If they do, that's nice. So we do have only one way actually to fix so, and to do so, at first tap this profile picture icon over here, tap third-party account linking, and tap the application you have the application sync setup but not working. As you can see here, Google Fit hard reset. Tap Revoke authorization, and now we don't have it. We have it all deleted. And now tap it again, tap your account, and now we have everything paired again. It should work now, and just do this with every single application you have the third-party app sync not working. And if it still doesn't work, try uninstalling your Zepp application and installing it back again. Try uninstalling your third-party application and then installing back again. Everything should be working nice. If it doesn't work, you need to just contact the Zepp support over here using in the application, or you're using a mail. You know, it's not the issue you can fix here by yourself. Goodbye.